Hello and welcome. Today we are going to apply our sea salt cream that we made in a previous video tutorial to make sea salt iced coffee. And for this one, I am going to use my French press to make my coffee, and we are going to make 3 different sizes. One is 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces. For the ingredients, we are going to make use of my medium roast coffee beans. It's going to be just black coffee, and we are going to add a little bit of sweetener, my homemade sugar syrup here, and to top it off, we are going to make a sea salt iced coffee, so I need to use my sea salt creams. If you haven't yet seen the video tutorial on how to make this one, check the link above. To brew our coffee, we are making use of a 1 liter French press, and my normal proportion, if it's just going to be ready to drink coffee, it will be 1:15. And then you add water, dilute it with water. But if I don't want to dilute it with water, I can use 1:20. For this video clip, I am going to use a proportion of 1:20 for my French press because I'm going to make only black coffee and ready to drink. So this way I do not need to dilute it with water. If you have a copy of my book, the recommendation is to use 1:15 and then you add water. With the recipe today, it is going to be just straight from the French press into our glasses here. To brew the coffee, I would recommend that you use freshly ground coffee. So I have my grinder here. We are going to grind 50 grams of coffee and add 1 liter of water and steep it for 4 minutes. For the grind, I need it to be extra coarse grind. So I'm going to adjust my grinder to extra coarse. I've got my scale here. And then I'm going to add hot water, 1 liter. So this is a 500 milliliter measuring cup. I'm going to put 500 there and another 500. One liter of hot water into my French press, and then I'm going to steep it for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's put our lid on, but do not push the plunger yet. And we are going to wait for 4 minutes. Time is up, 4 minutes. So now I am going to push my plunger down. Slowly. The coffee is smelling really, really good. Okay, now I am ready to make my iced sea salt coffee. Because the coffee is hot, I would recommend that you mix your drink in a separate cup before you put it in your glass. For 12 ounces, I need my sea salt cream, I need my sugar syrup, and my brewed coffee. So for this, we need 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of brewed coffee. I'm going to add 10 milliliters of sugar syrup. Now you can adjust this according to your own preference. This is about 2 teaspoons. Mix well so that the sugar will be combined with the coffee. Just put enough so that it looks substantial and it should float on top of your drink. So that should be about 45 milliliters to about 60 milliliters of sea salt cream. Now let's make our second glass, which is 16 ounces. For 16 ounces, again, I need my sea salt cream, I need my sugar syrup, and my brewed coffee. For the brewed coffee, this time I need 150 milliliters or about 5 ounces of brewed coffee. And to this, I am going to add half an ounce of my sugar syrup. Mix well. Very, very simple to make. And then we are going to put ice there. Fill it to the top with ice, that's okay. We have a very strong brewed coffee here. And there you go. And now it's time to put the icing on the cake, which is our sea salt cream. You may use a squeezed bottle or you may use a foam scoop to scoop up the sea salt cream onto your glass. If you'd like it to be a bit more premium, you can add a little bit of salt, Himalayan salt on top. Finally, for our 22 ounces cup, once again, I need my brewed coffee, I need my sugar syrup, and I need my sea salt cream. For 22 ounces, I need 6 ounces or 180 milliliters of brewed coffee. And to this, I am going to add 1 ounce of my sugar syrup. Adjust it according to your own sweetness preferences. Mix well. And then we are ready to put ice into our glass. Just to show you, if you do not have a squeezed bottle and you'd rather scoop the foam onto your glass, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have here a foam scoop. This way you can also measure how much you actually put on your drinks. Okay, so about, I would say 4 tablespoons, which is equal to 60 milliliters. 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and our 22 ounces glasses, using coffee brewed from French press. And again, if you'd like to just sprinkle a little bit of some Himalayan salt on top, and your drink is now looking very, very premium. There you go, very easy to make. First, you make your sea salt cream in batches so that you can just put it on top of your drinks when your drinks are ready. So you can apply this not only for coffee or iced coffee, but also for tea, milk tea or just plain tea. So using my French press to brew my coffee, here are 3 deliciously looking iced coffee sea salt cream. So the way to drink this would be not using a straw. So if you are using plastic cups, I would suggest that you use a sip lid so that your customers can just simply sip it from the cups, just like this. It is the perfect combination. It is the bittersweet coffee plus the creamy sea salt cream. So there you go, you can give this a try, and also if you'd like to add this in your menu, very simple, you just need to use a French press to make this deliciously looking coffee. If you'd like to see more of this video tutorials, click that subscribe button below, and I'll see you again next time. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.